How to contact eBay customer support. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to be learning how we can contact eBay's customer support. So without any further ado or delay, let us get started with today's video. If you want to contact eBay customer service, just open your browser and type in eBay customer service number. You'll find your first link from eBay that says call us. So tap on this call us button. And here you can see what kind of issues you're having, maybe selling, buying, account, shipping, return, refunds, or fees and billing. I'll just select fees and billing, and inside it also you can select what kind of issues that you're facing. And when you've done that, if you have an account, you want to simply sign into your account to see your recent orders or whatever. But just scroll down and tap on this need more help section. It says contact us, so tap on this contact us button, after which you'll be taken to the customer support chatting page as long as you are logged into your account. So this way you can contact eBay customer service. Hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.